Office in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Greene County and east central New York, eastern Ulster County and east central New York, Dutchess County and east central New York, Columbia County and east central New York, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Valatia to Salt Jerseys to Marlborough, or along a line extending from 6 miles northwest of Chatham to Salt Jerseys to Bin, and moving east at 45 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Pleasant Valley, Philmont and Hopewell Junction by 4:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Stanfordville, Pine Plains, Millbrook and Ostrich by 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Copac and Ancrum by 5:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Wingdale by 5:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. If a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. Please report hail size, damaging winds and reports of trees down to the National Weather Service by email at klb.stormreport@noaa.gov or on Facebook at www.facebook.com/usnationalweatherservice.albany.gov. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in New York: Columbia, Dutchess, Greene and Ulster. The National